Alright, so Billord, if like say you don't know say I did for China. Billord, it seems you don't know that I'm in China. So as I was coming back, I see one advert where you do now about iPhone XR that have been modified to iPhone 17 Pro. Now, the question is, what do you even know about the phone? I will give you a full breakdown of that phone and the price. Because I see say you say now 450,000. You won't extort. Why? Why? But anyways, I'll give you, see, here. I'll give them breakdown now. But let's listen to your advert.
Hey guys, so this is Billord. This phone's just arrived now. Brand new SR. Brand new iPhone XR that was modified to 17 Pro. This is 128 GB iPhone XR that was modified to 17 Pro. We have 3 different colors, so let me unbox it. It comes sealed. It comes sealed in carton with charger. It comes with a charger. Bro, look at it. Look at this shit. They even sealed the back, bro. Jesus Christ. So it has 3 colors. This phone can do airdrop. It does everything. Just that saying an SR the inside for inside 17 Pro body. That's the only thing. And it's selling for 450k.
Alright, so what Billord is saying is true. That is an iPhone. The iPhone where everybody uses. That's airdrop, very clear camera and everything. But it's an iPhone XR that have been put in the casing of iPhone 17 Pro because it actually matches. But what Billord does not know is that they have 2 types, and I'll show you the 2 types because I know say no. Me, I don't go the exact place where they do everything. Down to the packaging and everything. I'll take you through it now. As you can see on my screen, XR to 17 Pro, there are 2 types. There's a one that they toggle the mute button, where they push the mute button. And there's another one that's an advanced one. Advanced one, where they press the button to mute. As you can see, now as they come, I quickly order and made a bring down. See, tear leather. I'll tell you the price that they come. I'll not just tell you the price, I'll tell you how to buy it. Tear leather, wait. Tear leather. So if I open and say finish, like in a dash, I go dash all this one. I don't remove the leather. See, sealed. Ready sealed. See am, I go tear am. Sealed. You see am, abi? Sealed. Sealed again. Now even 2 places they see. Sealed. See the charger. See am. See am. Cha-cha clean.